time, man? It's your boy Big Brad, man. We here at Costa Maya. God damn, bro, I feel like I'm getting sick. That's not good. But I had a night last night. I ain't feeling the best, bro, so I'm gonna put the drinks down today. Yeah, but we here at Costa Maya. I'm about to go meet the family upstairs. Let's get it, bro. You know what I mean? Got the necklace, some friendship bracelets on, the shades on, you feel me? Yeah, for a nigga. Got the orange swimming trunks. God damn, bro. With the Crocs, bro. Croc gang, man. Let's go upstairs. Let's get this show on the road. Yes, sir. Y'all, we headed on the bus, about to do a tour or something, I don't know. Yeah.
You guys probably need to leave.
2 hours later.
We made it. Damn, I feel like shit, bro, I ain't gonna lie.
Mission failed.
Oh.
It's free shots, man. Hey, free shots. You guys want a tequila shot? Yeah. I got over here. Better right now. Hey, amiga.
Does
that have coffee? That's coffee.
It's not real coffee. But I got something more like a margarita.
Yeah.
This is a passion fruit.
Ooh, that's my type.
Yeah, boy. Good. Because it's fresh. The fruit is for the season. We're in passion fruit season right now.
Oh, no.
Why are you running? Why are you
Nice. I'm okay, thank you.
My pig.
Time, man.
Let's take a picture with rock on you. Mango.
Pineapple. Thank you. Wow. Sir.
We're in Mexico. This is my sister. Okay. Period.
Feeling a little bit better. Probably won't do too much today. Just going to enjoy it. And might get in the water for a little bit. Oh, I might get some tacos. That's what I'm about to do.
Andaba 20. Quería una torta.
Yeah, we're gonna get tacos.
Everything?
Thank you. Alright, y'all, that's it for Costa Maya. We about to head back to the ship. Yeah, it was cool, man. Good food. You know what I'm saying? Good coconuts and mangoes and shit. Good massage. Everything was pretty cheap, too. That's what I really fuck with it. It was real cheap, you know what I'm saying? $20 massage, $6 tacos for 3. Good vibes out here, good music stuff, man. I feel better. I'll talk to y'all niggas later, man. It is Christmas time. I forgot. It's so warm out here. I forgot it's Christmas, bro. Alright, Jared, what's your opinion on Costa Maya?
Probably give it like a 6.
What was your favorite thing about it?
Yeah, the massage though. The massage is crazy.
$20 massage.
Yeah, massage for 30 minutes. He did a massage too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on 10.
6 out of 10. You heard it from Jared, man. I'll probably give it a 6 too, I ain't gonna lie. We'll see what Belize talking about tomorrow. Justin, what you think of the Costa Maya? Give it a 1 out of 10. What's your rating?
Like 8, I ain't gonna lie.
8?
I think it was fun.
That was your favorite part?
Yeah, look. Now the tacos was fire too.
The taco was good too. Alright, 8 out of 10 from Justin. We're gonna see what Belize is talking about. Rate Costa Maya 1 through 10.
Costa Maya is a good little 7. It's a good little trip.
make sure you actually go do it. If you want a beach day, you can chill on the beach, but go see the Mayans.
Take your ashwagandha because them niggas are overstimulated.
And always negotiate. I got a necklace for $100 less.
They was trying to sell grandma like a blanket. It was like 75. She was like, no, 50. Whew. Getting sick on vacation is the worst shit ever, bro. Like, so my cousin gonna give me some cough drops. My grandma gonna give me some NyQuil. I'm gonna end the night early. I just came from the gym, did a quick workout, and I am feeling crazy. But I am still appreciative being able to spend time with my family, be out here on the water, see the ocean, see the sand, see the beach, eat good food. You know what I mean? I am super grateful for that. Plugging away from, you know, regular life. I love plugging away, which is why I didn't buy the Wi-Fi package so I wouldn't be on my phone. You know what I mean? I just wanted to tap into where I'm at in the moment, be in the moment, talk to my family and friends and shit, man. It's been cool so far. I would like to make some more friends, but it's all good. I probably will. But, you know, we'll see. You know what I'm saying? Look at my eyes, I look fucking high, man. All right, y'all. I'm gonna tap in with y'all niggas later, man. It's your boy, Big Brad. See y'all. Good, y'all. We just touched down in Belize. It's a little wet out here, raining a little bit, feeling a little bit better, chilling. But I really want to do something fun at the same time, so we'll see. Oh, last night, I went to the club. Met a lot of friends, made a lot of friends. It was good vibes last night, bro. It's been a good trip so far. You know, making friends, spending time with family, eating good food, being able to unplug. It feels good. I just wish I felt better, but it's all good. Belize, we on the way. The water here is pretty nice. It's like a turquoise color. I've never seen water that's like turquoise.
In their water for it to look like that. This is painful on the road.
That's like when you're out at a restaurant and you can't text or call, you have to use that.
I act like you grew on that or something.
I did.
And turn praise to the, and I will feel up. Hey. One love, one heart, let's get together, feel alright. Hear the children crying?
Alright, y'all, so we just made it on the mainland. It took a ferry to get here, 15-minute ride, but now we about to probably go get something to eat. I'm hungry. Got coconuts on the trees, bro. Not sure what this is. This house is hard. You know what I'm saying? Gang with me. Smoky.
It's good, pretty good. It's good. It's fire? I was thinking of getting that one.
Oh,
I like, buddy, the board make it look aesthetic. Right?
yeah, good aesthetic.
Thank you. California declared a state of emergency or something. Oh my God.
Alright, y'all, we just left Smoke Kids. The food looked very good. It was probably like a 6. I mean, the ribs was good. The chicken was a little dry. Mac and cheese was like some Velveeta type shit. Cornbread was, you know what I mean? It was alright. But tell me why when we leaving, bro, this lady was like, hey, you in the backpack. I just looked back like, yo, who are you talking to? She was like, yeah, you, come here. So I came up to her and she was like, how old are you? 28. I asked her how old she was. She was like 40. No, I ain't gonna lie, she looked good for 40. She was like, you a fine piece of black meat? Chill out. She had her two kids were right there, probably like 13 and 16, bro. She's just flirting like, it's like, bro, calm down, like, please. That shit was weird, I ain't gonna lie. That shit was funny. But hey, man, we finna head back on the ship. It's raining here in Belize. Boat ride was nice. The ferry was cool. The water looks good. Like, the aesthetics are nice. Belize is a nice country, so 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. All right, y'all. Rate y'all food, bro.
It tastes like you're like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
The rice a little bit. The food as a whole, though, I'll give it like a 7.
7? Yeah, we're finna get up out of here, man.
Welcome to Honduras.
Jet skis in Honduras.